Okay, hello everyone. So today price basically got slightly higher here since yesterday's close, and we can see this sell off yesterday wide range. So we need to see if the price can go and have a retest at the lows. What we'll do here, we'll try to go long for the initial reaction. Also, if we see the daily chart here, you can see basically yesterday price just closed outside of lower Bollinger Bands here. When we see this, we tend to have a rally after this. Also, if we look at VIX here, yesterday failed to make a new high and sold off. This is the more it sells, the further upside the equities will have. So looking basically, when we have wide range days, as you can see, then we tend to have balanced days, narrow range, unless we see any kind of aggressive price action for some reason. So in case we see a balanced day today, then tomorrow will be interesting to see which side this will break out. But let's see what type of day we'll have today first. So we'll try to trade this against this initial balance, but basically be patient and wait for a retest of yesterday's lows. If we see the week so far on the 50-minute chart, we have a weekly value area low down to 970s and value area high 12,050s, and VWAP from the week 12,036s. So price perhaps can remain at this range. So if we see a retest here, we would like to go long, and if we see a failure here, we would like to go short at this level. If we also see the 30-minute chart here, we will see we're kind of overextending in terms of Bollinger Band here, and perhaps we'll see a pullback. So let's see. Initiated a long trade at 05s here, long here in anticipation just against this little low, in anticipation if this is a failed breakdown of initial balance low, then price will perhaps give a retest of the high or VWAP here. Let's give you some time. Tight stop here, stop at 98. So let's see. Scale out first target at 12s here, price bounced nicely here, although narrow ranging still. So we like to see now if this can extend above VWAP and goes towards the other side of the range. If this happens, we'll also like to see what price will do at the initial balance high, if it holds or if it fails again here. Nice little breakout here, entry straight on target. So let's give this some time now. Now pushing above volume weighted average price here. I will scale out the second target here and leave the rest, move the stock to break even, leave the rest for a potentially a further upside, not just initial balance high, but up to 50s or so. So quick scaling out two targets, then leaving the 1/3 for an extended move. So let's see. Price now attempting to break out the highs here. Let's see if it has, if it's strong enough and has enough momentum to do this. If we see the daily chart here, this could be a great trade location to hold a long position, although I do not trade like multiple days, holding multiple days positions. But if somebody can hold this long here for a move up to 12,000 or 150s, the middle Bollinger Band perhaps. As we can see here at the daily chart, perhaps this is a retest at the lower Bollinger Band after an extended move below, then we see a kind of reversal move. So this is all anticipation. Let's see what will happen. So basically just trading within the initial balance so far, faked out the low side. Now we need to see if it managed to break out the high side or if this can just range that narrow, like 27 points. Out of the rest of the long trade here at 12s, nice trade though. Second target could have take it up close to initial balance high. Were more than 30-40 minutes of cash trading and just ranging within the initial balance. This is signs of narrow range day and balanced day unless something happens in this market behavior changes. As I said earlier, after wide range days we have small narrow balanced days, which means price will fail either side. Generally, as a day's range, this is very tight, so this is sometime during the day likely to expand, so the range from high to low will become greater than this. If for any reason price goes down to yesterday's lows, I would definitely look for a long opportunity, at least for the short term bounce here. So let's see where this is heading now. So basically exactly the same setup here, fake down move at initial balance low, 20 points higher already. So this could be nice, another nice trading, long trading opportunity, although this is just a range so far. Of course you can trade the range, cautiously shorting here as perhaps this can expand further up. So let's see. For the US session, to see if we have any kind of expanding rates at the time or even before this. As I said earlier, if price goes down to yesterday's lows for some reason, we like to use this trade location for a potential long opportunity. Perhaps this can break further down, then fails, go sideways, then go higher. So here we are a few hours later and a few minutes before the European cash equity close. You can see price basically had a range of 35 points here or so, very tight range, although tradable failures here at the highs retest and at the midpoint of initial balance area, although haven't placed any other trades since the longest morning. This one was a good one for a long as well. So let's see tomorrow. Today so far we have an inside day narrow range exactly as anticipated. Anticipating the right type of days, you have already win 50% of the trade game. So need to see tomorrow how market will respond to these today's levels and previous days lows here. If you would subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pinned tweet here, this link which will prompt you to a PayPal subscription service, which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free, then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market close, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, you can feel free to go here and just watch this.